Hey folks, John Swigert here, Home Inspectors of Middle Tennessee. If it sounds like I'm in an empty garage, it's because I'm in an empty garage. Sorry about the echo in the background. What I want to share with you is a water heater, gas water heater, and it has a leaking test and pressure relief valve. And you can see that there is water all over the floor of this garage, okay? Normally a leaking test and pressure relief is due to two things: excessive temperature, which this one is not, it's 120 degrees, which is just about right, or excessive pressure, water pressure, which this one is not, it's about 60 degrees, which is about right. The T&P is designed to, this is a little pop off right here, this is designed to pop. I'm not going to do it because you never know what the results might be. If the temperature in the water heater gets too hot, therefore shooting superheat